Hi guys, so in this video, you're going to learn how to run a TikTok ads using the TikTok ads manager. And for this particular campaign, we're going to focus more on how to grow your followers using TikTok ads. This is basically community engagement or interaction. Don't forget to visit the description section to access more resources that would help you succeed with TikTok advertising and so much more. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight in. All right, so after making it to TikTok Ads Manager, you simply visit ads.tiktok.com. Then you log into your account, particularly your business center account, or you set up a new account. Wait until you're verified. After you're verified, you come to the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard, particularly the campaign table. Then you click on the Create button at the top. Okay, so here you're going to select different objective. This is reach traffic, community interaction. So get more people to follow your TikTok account. So that's what we are doing for this particular video. Get more people to visit your TikTok profile, promote your live stream. Okay, so we go for community interaction. Okay. So we're gonna say follow. Then we'll click on continue. We're gonna skip all of this. We'll set the budget and the ad group. Okay. This one is going to be a broad targeting, but from 18 years up, from 18 years upward. Okay. Yeah. So Nigeria is our location. We are all gender. That's all. We're doing broad targeting for this particular one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So we know interest and behavior targeting. We're going to skip this for this video. So with operating system, leave at all, connection type, leave at all, device price, skip all of that. Then we go to daily budget, we set 10,000 naira per day. Okay, so first we're going to set a schedule. So set an end date. Okay. So we want this ad to start running as soon as possible. We want it to end. Okay, let's let it end by this time. Okay. All right, so we are good to go. So optimization goal is follow. Okay, so get more followers. So now if you want to get more profile visits, you go for this optimization goal, but we want more followers, so we're hitting the follow button. So we're gonna leave this. Okay, so we go for maximum delivery. Yeah, so that the system is going to choose on its own. We don't want to decide the bidding strategy or bidding cost. Okay, so we're basically done with this level. So we click on continue. And it's going to take us to the ad level where we could use multiple creatives for this one. So we're just going to select a few, maybe 5, but shouldn't exceed 7. So next you click on add videos. Don't forget to visit the description section. We're going to share more resources to teach you how to scan QR code or to link or to connect a TikTok business account to your business center or even your ads account. We're also going to show you some of the steps here. But visit the description section to access more resources to help you succeed with TikTok advertising. So the creative library is if you're uploading your video from your laptop into Ads Manager, you click upload here. So you basically do all of that under creative library. But if you want to use existing posts on your TikTok account, you click on TikTok posts. Then if you've not yet connected your TikTok account, you click on link TikTok account and follow the on-screen instruction and the option that suits you or the option you prefer. If not, if it's already connected, you click on TikTok accounts, click on this drop down. We have like four accounts connected. So I'm going to deselect other three and leave just one. You could also play your videos if you want. Okay, so we're definitely going to use this video. Let's see what this one's like. Okay, so these are videos with high energy. Okay, so click on confirm. This one's enough. So you allow it to load and process. So you're gonna see all the ad. Okay, so we're good to go. So we could call this ad 005. All right, so this is basically all. So we then click on publish all. So this particular campaign is going to help this brand get more followers on TikTok. So it's very easy. So you click on back to campaigns or you allow it to reload